doing a fog light installation visual tutorial for some people that may be having some troubles. I had an aftermarket from eBay. It just basically plugged and played. So you're going to have to remove your headlight and your bumper. You're also going to have to remove your windshield wiper reservoir. I don't know if you can see that wire here, but that's the harness. It's underneath your reservoir down in there. When you get into the inside, you're going to try and find, let's get this thing to brighten. Alright, okay, there's some light. So you're looking for that brown plug in here. It's taped up most likely on the back side. You can see where my tape was. Anyway, so you're going to have to take this part off, and you're going to be able to find your ground into here. Simply attach it, it's right in place. And for the two to plug in, these red wires here and here is where you're going to plug right into the fuse box. That thing in the middle is where your fuse puller would be from the factory. No, take that back. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, you just simply plug those right on in, and everything's hooked up, ready to go.